Comes with a nail here, 8-pin I think, and this is for the velocity, I believe. So first hook it up and try it out. Just put everything in, the throttle, the maneuver buttons and the brakes, and make sure that this is not touching anything. And in my case this works, yes. And here we have the brake. So again, that's supposed to be full speed. I don't know what the max speed is now. Have to figure it out. Of course, the speed doesn't work since I haven't connected the speed counter. So this piece can be adjusted. So you have to make sure that this is the critical part, I believe. So if I compare it with my bike, it has to be long enough for this. I believe it's not. I need a longer bolt maybe. Let's go check. So this bike, it has this one, so you have to be a long way from here, the center, and it's really thick here. So maybe I can get it fit here, but perhaps not. So after seeing this in too high, I don't believe this will fit, but let's try it. It has to be sort of open here, and then you have a bracket here or something. So this, no, I can't get this to fit. Maybe if I could drill a hole here, but I don't want to do that. But it's close, it's really close. Can maybe grind it down or something and drill a hole. Since this, push this up on the other side into that one.